Virtual in November 2024. After a massive move and a relatively low volume pullback, Virtual sets up again above the 20-day EMA. Our proprietary PCT rating is shown in this replay, giving its top AAA rating based on 3 algos measuring triple confirmation criteria. As we see Virtual with low volatility, it has a tight range below a resistance point. It starts to build higher highs and higher lows while staying above the 20-day EMA. We also see strong Bitcoin pair strength with new 52-week highs. We see again the power of triple confirmation in identifying market leaders. Virtual just takes off with huge strength in a weak altcoin market. It stays above the 20-day EMA for a huge move. We exited with 2 closes below the 20-day EMA rule we call the 20D2C and locked in a 435% plus gain. This is also an example of how we use our proprietary PCT rating as a screener to find quality setups in seconds and as a quick reference point to judge the quality of possible triple confirmation setups. If you would like to learn more about our free and pro tools, go to precisioncryptotrading.com where you can learn more about them. This is how we use triple confirmation for precision entries and is an important component of how we apply the first of the 3 keys of precision trading. Take minimal risk.